running you down. This can't go on. Lord knows you've got to change.
Hello everybody, it's Mikael Mölsä and this is a teaching video for my dance called Evil Ways. Evil Ways is done to a Willy Bobo song called Evil Ways, and it is a 32 count 4-wall intermediate level cha-cha line dance, and it has 2 tags after walls 2 and 4. There's optional steps, but I'll show them along the teaching. So this is a quick rundown or walkthrough of the dance Evil Ways. Let us begin. So, weight is on our right foot when we start the dance. We step left back for 1, hold for 2, step right back for 3, hold for 4. You're going to do a back mambo step for 5 and 6, step forward on your left foot for 7, and then do a shuffle forward for 8 and 1. 2 is a hold, then and 3, you're going to step ball step, and 3, 4 is a hold. On count 5, you're going to step your right foot forward for 5, 6 and 7 is a normal half left turning pivot, so it's step, half turn, 6, 7, and you're going to do a shuffle step forward for 8 and 1. That's already halfway through the dance. Let's recap from this top, but it's better to go this as a big section because this is the part that really shines in the music. So, weight is on our right foot, we'll step back for 7, 8. So it's step, hold, mambo step, step, shuffle step, hold, and step, hold, step, half turning pivot, shuffle step. Once more with the counts. Weight is on our right foot, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Now, there is like I said, there's optional steps. So when you do the first one, the step, hold, you can change those into, after you've done the lock shuffle back, you can change them into batucadas. Doing 4 of them will still keep you in the rhythm. So you can go step and step and step and step and up. Then you do mambo step, step, shuffle step. Alright? That is your option. Or if you just want to do something completely different, you want to go with a touch and a touch and a touch and a touch and rock and step. Anything your mind desires, go for it. So anyway, we've done the second set of 8, we've done the shuffle forward. We'll do a step and then we'll do a hinge turn. So we'll step forward with the right for count 2. We do a half turn, our right, stepping left back for 3. And we'll step cross back side for 4 and 5, keeping to the cha-cha rhythm. Stepping 4 and 5. When you're stepping onto your 5, you can already start your hip roll, which we'll cover for a couple of counts. We'll go for 5, 6, moving on to left, 7. We'll do a rock and cross mambo step, whatever you want to call it, which ends up turning us 1/4 to the right. So we'll go 8 and 1. Since you have the whole flow with the whole hip roll, you can easily do a cross rock and step after that. But let's recap that third set of 8. So we've done the shuffle step for 8 and 1. We'll step forward for 2, half turn 3, cross back side, 2, 3, rock and turn. Once more with the hands. So we've done 8 and 1. We'll go 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Moving on, we'll go after the whole section, whole wall after this set of 8. We'll go to the last set of 8. We'll do 2 prissy walks. So we'll step across for 2, 3. We'll do there's 2 options for here as well. You can either do the 3-step half turn, so it's a step and step, step and step, and in this case showing it this way, it's step, back, turn, step, back, turn. So the first one turns us a halfway through our right, and the second one turns us a halfway through right. So it'll be 4 and 5, 7, 6 and 7. Or there's the other option, you can do 2 mambo steps, which is when you've done 2, 3, you can do mambo step, mambo step. Either one you use, your weight will end up on your right foot, and you got only 3 steps or 2 counts left, which is the lock shuffle backwards, which is 8. And when you step onto your 1, it'll be the first count of the dance. It'll be step, hold, mambo, step, step. Alright? I'll do the first wall twice. Once I'll call out the steps and do the last set of 8 with the 3-step half turn, and then I'll do the second time with the counting when I'll only do the mambos. Alright. Weight is on the right foot, going from the top, 7, 8. So it's step, hold, mambo, step, step, shuffle, step, hold, and step, hold, step, step, half turn, shuffle, step, step, half turn, cross back side, roll your hips, rock and turn, prissy walk, 3-step turn, and the other turn, lock, shuffle. Alright, the same thing with the counts. Weight is on the right foot, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. That is your whole wall. Now let's quickly cover the 2 tags, which are relatively simple, and they will come after walls 2 and 4, which are these walls. So I'll show them facing the front wall, which will be easier for you to pick up on. So we've done the back lock shuffle for 8 and 1. We'll do a rock step back for 2, 3. We'll do a shuffle forward, 4 and 5. We'll do a rock step forward, 6, 7. We'll do a lock shuffle backwards, 8 and 1. And that is your first step of the new wall, which will be after followed by a hold, then a hold, and so on and so forth. So it'll be, once again, the tag will be, you've done the 8 and 1, and you'll go into your tag for 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, which is the first set of the next wall. Alright, this has been a quick rundown of the dance called Evil Ways. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comment section. I will answer any questions or clarify anything which can be when I'm doing these videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer anything I can about the dance. Hopefully you found this video informative, and I hope you really like the dance. This has been the dance demo for Evil Ways. Thank you very much.
Running you down, this can't go on. Lord knows you've got to change.